Setting preferences. This lets us change how Photoshop looks and functions. On the Mac, we choose Photoshop, Preferences, General. On Windows, it's Edit, Preferences, General. There are categories of settings on the left side. As you can see, Photoshop has a lot of preferences. Interface allows us to choose colors for the overall interface. If you prefer to work in a lighter or darker mode, you can choose from 4 different color themes. You can also change the language and user interface font size. If you find Photoshop is a bit sluggish, you might want to check the performance preferences. Photoshop needs to save temporary files to a scratch disk. If there is not enough room left on your main drive, Photoshop might stop working. You can connect other drives and allow Photoshop to use them from this page. Here you can change the displayed units used in various parts of Photoshop. You can also set some defaults for columns and new document resolutions. And here you can set different colors and appearances to non-printing guides, grids, and slices.